Maintenance teams often find themselves trapped in a firefighting cycle. They rush from one broken machine to the next, wrestling with emergency repairs, only to watch the same equipment fail again weeks later. To break this cycle, an operation must move from reactive repairs to predictable equipment performance. This requires a defect elimination engine, a disciplined process designed to find why failures happen and remove those causes for good. The process follows 5 specific steps. Step 1, identify the defect. Step 2, investigate and prioritize. Step 3, conduct root cause analysis. Step 4, solve and implement. And Step 5, verify the results. Before starting, you need 2 things: accurate work order history in your maintenance system and a single, centralized defect register. Every reliability issue on site, from safety incidents to production losses, must be logged here. Fragmented data keeps a facility reactive. Consolidating every failure into one master list gives the team a clear view of site-wide risks, which is the first step toward methodical improvement. Defect elimination is not a maintenance-only task. When engineers or mechanics work in isolation, they often lack the operational context needed to solve the problem, causing the investigation to stall. Success requires a cross-functional team, active participation from maintenance, production, and supply chain to understand how the equipment is operated, maintained, and sourced. This group manages the workload through a monthly defect management meeting. This 60-minute session follows a fixed agenda: reviewing new triggers, unblocking active investigations, and confirming the financial benefits delivered to the site. A Pareto chart ranks equipment by downtime. We refine this using a jackknife plot, mapping failure frequency against repair duration into 4 quadrants. Focus strictly on the top right quadrant, your acute, chronic failures that break down frequently and take longest to restore. Mathematically targeting this quadrant ensures the team works on the highest impact business problems. It replaces emotional decision-making with data-driven priorities. Once a target is selected, the cross-functional team meets for a root cause analysis workshop. For complex problems, the process begins with a fishbone exercise to capture all possible contributing factors. The diagram organizes brainstorming into 6 categories: machine, manpower, method, material, measurement, and Mother Nature. Every hypothesis is tested against field data. Unsupported branches fade away until only verified factors remain. The team applies verified factors to a 5 why worksheet, starting with the failure and asking why. A bearing failed from inadequate lubrication because a port was misdrilled, due to a drawing error never caught during commissioning. The goal is to reach a process, training, or governance gap. You stop when the analysis identifies a specific protocol or standard that the organization has the power to change. While a broken part marks the end of a failure, the investigation focuses on the management system or tactical oversight that permitted it to occur. True elimination targets the system, not just the component. Effective solutions rarely require massive investment. Most often, they involve updating a torque specification, modifying a procedure, or correcting a checklist to prevent the error from repeating. To make the fix permanent, you must update the asset tactic. This is the official preventative maintenance task list stored in your software that tells the team exactly how and when to service the equipment. If you repair the machine but fail to update the software, the next maintenance cycle reverts to the old way. The failure will return. The final step is verification. A defect is not considered resolved simply because the physical repair is finished and the work order is closed. Every solution must pass a 90-day window of active monitoring. During this time, the team tracks performance. Only when 90 days pass with 0 repeat failures can the defect be officially closed. Closing a file without proof of success is just documenting a failure. Verification is the only way to confirm the change is sustainable. This framework establishes the roles, the monthly rhythm, and the analytical tools needed to identify and remove the causes of downtime. It provides a structured path from constant repairs to steady performance. By holding to tactic updates and 90-day verifications, the maintenance department stops repeating the same work. The team begins delivering measurable increases in uptime and cost savings. To start,
Pull the last 30 days of downtime data from your system and build a Pareto chart.
Identify your top contributor and assemble your first cross-functional team to investigate it. Moving from firefighting to sustained reliability is a matter of discipline. By eliminating defects one at a time, you secure the entire operation,